All right, let's see what we've got today. I've got something every business team needs. Check this out. Branded email signatures for teams from AppSumo. First impression, the packaging is clean and professional. Here's the dashboard. Super intuitive, no clutter. Let's dive in and set up a signature template. Drag and drop design tools, really easy to use. I'm adding our logo, brand colors, and social links. Wow, it updates instantly as I edit. Now let's assign this signature to my whole team. Just a couple clicks and everyone's covered. No more chasing people for signature updates. Let's see how it looks in an actual email. Sending a test email to myself right now, and there it is. Looks super sharp. Everything's perfectly aligned and branded. Let's try updating the phone number in the template. Instantly, every team member's signature updates. No need for manual edits or IT requests. This is a game changer for consistency. Every email now reflects our brand perfectly. You can even add banners for promos or events. Perfect for marketing campaigns or announcements. Now let's talk about the automation features. It syncs with your team directory automatically. New hires get signatures without any extra steps. Leaving employees? Their signatures disappear instantly. No more outdated info floating around. Admins will love the centralized control. Set permissions so only certain people can edit. Everyone else just gets the latest version. I like how fast it is. No lag at all. The interface is clean, not overwhelming. It works with Gmail, Outlook, and more. No extra plugins or complicated installs. Honestly, this saves so much time for everyone. The branding stays consistent across the whole company. No more mismatched fonts or missing logos. If you care about looking professional, this is it. I'm impressed by how easy it is to update. You don't need to be techie at all. Just pick a template, customize, and deploy. I wish we had this years ago. Let's recap the best features real quick. Automated team-wide signature management. Easy drag-and-drop design tools. Instant updates for everyone, every time. Consistent, professional branding in every email. Centralized control for IT and marketing. Works with all major email clients. If you're a business team or IT admin, listen up. This tool will save you hours every month. No more signature headaches or brand confusion. Honestly, I highly recommend giving it a try. Grab branded email signatures for teams on AppSumo. Level up your team's email game. Link in the description.